Apartheid has done more than them taking the land or them taking the economy. The biggest thing abayenzile emntwini omnyama is to make sure that ingqondo yomuntu omnyama never thinks or never pushes to speak unity or to speak against into wrong. That's why even during apartheid, there were people who were willing to say the way we are treated by the white people, it's okay. Simply because of this, apartheid killed ingqondo yomuntu omnyama. That's why even Nagu March, June 16, there were people who were telling the kids not to march. There were elders who were telling the kids not to do lento abafuna ukuyenza. There were even teachers who were telling the kids not to do lento abafuna ukuyenza. There were even people in politics who were telling the kids not to do lento abafuna ukuyenza. Not because of them loving the kids, but because of they had this fear of the unknown. They had this fear yokuthi if these kids stand up and take from labantu laba basibekela isinkwa etafuleni, what will become of South Africa? They had that fear, and that fear was instilled by the system apartheid. And angifuni ukuthi siyibhekele kude, but siyayibona even today when it comes to March on March. When we speak about Ubuntu, we're not speaking about you accepting umuntu ozokwenzela ubugebengu kwakho, but we're speaking about you accepting and loving your neighbor. Your neighbor, not for someone ofike lani hlala khona ngendlela ezingekho right, and you now say nina ninobuntu because of you love your brothers, you love your sisters from other countries who are here illegally. Because when you speak of Ubuntu, nomuntu lo benzela ubuntu naye emela kwenzela ubuntu. So ubuntu kuzoqala ngomuntu angaphandle ukuthi afike endaweni ngendlela right. And once waqala wafika endaweni ngendlela right, it's easy for even South African to love that person ngendlela right, because of that person respected the principles and that person respected the law of South Africa. Now we are faced with a challenge where abantu say ukuthi illegal foreigners are doing something that South African people are not willing to do. Which in other words, if I buy, let's say, cheese for my grocery and leave the cheese in the fridge and not eat cheese for the coming 6 months, in other words, you guys are saying what it's right for someone from outside to come in my house and take a cheese in my fridge just because of a meal. That's crime. That is crime. You can't come from an outside country and then you start taking jobs illegally. You start going to interviews illegal. That is crime. Your movement in that country alone is a criminal offense. And when people stand up and say, we are tired, it's the same people that were telling the kids not to march. They're now telling South Africans, if you do this, you will be arrested. Instead of them pushing into Bafet, go back home. Go back home so that we can fix our place and fix the laws. Yes, our laws were weak. Nebonilama loophole, and you took advantage of such loopholes. But now it's time for you to go back home so that we can fix our place. And once it is fixed, once it is okay, then you can come back legally and stay if you want to stay. Or you can come back legally and see your girlfriends and your children if you want to do that. But Ogwamanje, as South Africans, we are saying go back home. We are failing to do that simply because of they killed it. Like you feel ingqondo yethu. Ifile. When you speak of unity, then people check what is it that we unite about. Mangabe you are benefiting from something illegal, then you will fight abantu who are speaking about unity and who are speaking about people must respect the law because of you are benefiting from those illegal people. But if they were affecting you directly, if those people were affecting you directly, if you go to an interview and you see illegal foreigners working and they tell you what is space asikho, you will understand why people are fighting. And tonight affects us because of sihlala emalokishini. These paza shops are in our areas. These politicians don't even stay kumakasi esihlala kuwo. The food that they buy is food that goes through proper quality checks. Tina, we are subjected to buying what is accessible because of they allowed these people to be in our towns. Now, when we say we are tired, we want these people out, then they say, Uti, it shouldn't be. We shouldn't take the law into our own hands. Kanti, who is the government? Who is the government? When you want our votes, you tell us that the government is a person of the people, by the people, meaning the government is us. And when we are taking our position as government, then you are now telling us we cannot do that. So who is the government? And why must we be subjected to izinto ezingekho right emalokishini wethu? You'll hear other black people saying, hey, masithi mabahambe, where will we get our morning veggies? That's a dead mentality. Masithi mabahambe, who will cut our hair? Dead mentality. Masithi mabahambe, where would we buy bread locally? Is paza shop that is dead mentality. That is dead mentality. And if you are a black person that speaks such, just know what to feel. Mentality yomuntu ofile leyo.